Where's that?
So this is Chris's new vehicle. I'm not going to tell you what it is because he hasn't posted anything on it yet, but you know it's red and it's big. What are we doing right now?
We are
making it bigger.
Compressing the suspension a little bit. Look, Ma, I'm not even looking.
It flips. Look at that. That's pretty, Amy.
I like it.
We should do those all over the car.
I like it. Metal shavings hitting me in the hand.
So Chris is in the process of cutting us a new hole.
What if and starts walking and I'm having to hold this too?
I'm gonna brace it in just a minute.
Keep videoing this.
Okay. So we're cutting the hole in the hood, get the Honda back in here, and we're gonna try to finish up some stuff on it tonight and hopefully go for a drive and have some fun. We always do this super late at night. Finish it up.
It is.
It's not that late yet, right?
It is 10:22 p.m. Eastern time.
Yeah. Last time we actually went riding at like 1 a.m. Oh yeah.
Alrighty. Pretty much finished product for the hole in the hood. Just gonna end up doing like some type of diamond plate right here to kind of make it look a little bit cleaner and everything. Bedazzled up, but this is her right here. And yes, I know plug wires are pulled off and all that. Yeah, I'm changing the plugs right now, so got that little video going on. Jordan's over here. I don't think he likes the purple anymore, so he's trying to remove that.
If you want to see the
I don't know, I kind of like the half and half thing.
Half and half is kind of nice.
That's kind of cool.
If you want to see this video, click here. Alright, Chris is fitting the new air intake temperature sensor in there, and I just got through fitting up the wires and do this heat shrink on there, so I had to change to this style plug because the original one is a different plug, but it's also just a rubber fitting here where that one actually screws in. So that one's from like a later model Accord and some other things, but it works perfectly with this. Okay, so because the wastegate was being fed off of the vacuum line, the diaphragm here also sees vacuum. We only want it to see boost pressure. So this is one of the Ettman parts, and you can actually get this on our website. So if you go to HiRevzClothing.com, check it out here, right there. You can actually, we've got these on there and some other neat parts, wastegates, and all kinds of stuff, intercoolers, whatever. Check them out. Right, blow-off valve is going back on, and here is our boost port and the silicone coupling. Get it put back on, get that put back on, and then we'll go for a drive. All right, guys, the cold side pipe is back on. We've got our air intake temperature sensor on here, got it wired up, got the boost reference here going to our wastegate now, which goes to right there, and got a nice little blue VTEC solenoid cover on there. It's kind of hard to see. This is now blue password JDM stuff.
Are we good on the map sensors now? All that?
Yeah, all that's good. I think we're ready to go.
And you wired up the new plug and all that while I was doing the hole, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, Chris and I are about to go on a ride. See what happens. Alright, so here's our real maiden voyage on the actual road. So there we go. Everything going. Air intake temperature sensor is now nice and low. Our water temp's up to 176. That's our boost on the far right. In the middle is the throttle position. There we go. We'll see how it works. It's also cool. It's all of the other layouts there are to choose from. So if you like something better, like the Back to the Future layout, or
it's like aviator stuff right in there and things like that.
There's all kinds of really neat ones. And I went through and set up a bunch of different colors and random stuff. So this one gives us a big boost gauge here, and then tach, speedo, all that good stuff. Kind of cool. There's another one. It's kind of neat. The one that seems easiest for me to read though is the one that it was on. So that's the one I really like. Oh, hey, there's something to look at.
Rocking and rolling.
See what happens here. Two-step.
I can't get, it's not getting it.
Let's try it again. Might be shooting fire at the back. Shot that one big ass flame into the top.
Dude.
Well, let's try this. See if we can. All right, ready?
Sorry. Yeah. Hey, what's the edge of the road, dude?
So don't handle as well as like this thing.
That's 2000.
Yeah. Especially not when it's pulling with the front end as hard as it was. That thing's pulling like a freight train.
direction, you know, instead of it just going, "Wah, da, 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 da."